Hi there, my name is Keyur and welcome to my channel ElectroScott. This video is third video of Arduino series, and throughout this Arduino series we learn about Arduino, basic to advanced. And if you watch this Arduino series all episodes, and you will able to make your own Arduino projects. In third video we learn how to digital input and output works and show a push button and LED example. If you have not watched that video, so I give the link of that video is in the description. Anyways, here in this video I will show you how to analog input and learn serial monitor with variable register aka potentiometer example. So let's get started. In Arduino, the digital pin D0 and D1, also named RX and TX pin. So this RX and TX pin use UART communication protocol to communicate data. This UART communication protocol, also known as serial communication. If anyone don't know what is UART communication, so I talk you brief about UART communication. UART is if any sensor use pin namely RX and TX, that sensor transfer data using this UART communication protocol. In UART communication protocol, there are one transmitter pin and one receiver pin. The transmitter pin is transmit the data and the receiver pin receive the data. So that is a brief about UART communication. The programming port of Arduino use this RX and TX pin while uploading the program. So that programming port is connected to our PC or laptop via USB cable. So it means that we communicate the data between Arduino and PC or laptop by using this UART protocol. The serial monitor is one of the tools of Arduino IDE. By using this serial monitor, we can observe which data is sent or which data is received and what communication are done. There we can observe at serial monitor. So now communication of Arduino with our PC or laptop using this programming port and print the data to our serial monitor. Then let's first of all open the Arduino software. Click on File, click on New and maximize this window and erase all the sketch. If you don't have this software, then go ahead and watch out my video about how to download and install Arduino IDE. The video link is in the description. Here initialize variable and give it a name as a port pin. So I write integer port pin is equal to A0 because port is connected to analog pin A0. Here declaration of variable is complete. So let's jump to the setup section. Here we define which pin is output or input and also initialize the serial monitor. So the potentiometer is connected as input and that input available to analog pin A0. So first here I write void setup. So the potentiometer is connected as input and that input is available to analog pin A0. So I write pin mode in the bracket port pin comma input. Then after we initialize the serial monitor. So I write serial.begin and pass the value as 9600. Here serial begin is a command and the number 9600 is a communication speed in bits per second. The setup section is complete. Then let's jump to the void loop. So I write void loop. Here I write serial.println and in bracket we also write analog read and pass the value of port pin. Here analog read is a command to read input signal from analog pin as we define port pin in this case, and the serial.println command means we print our received data from analog pin to our serial monitor, and also write command delay and pass the value 10. As you know, the delay command as I discussed in my previous videos. Here our programming is complete. So connect your circuit as per circuit diagram. Link of circuit diagram is given in the description. After connection is complete, let's connect the Arduino via USB cable to PC or laptop. After connecting Arduino to PC or laptop, then after click on File, click on Save, give file name as you want to write. I write file name as pot serial and save this file to desktop. Click on Tools and select a board type as Arduino Uno and select your COM port. Mine COM port is COM18, so I select COM18. Then after, click on Compile button. Here you can see our compilation is done. So click on Upload button. Here we can see our uploading is done. Then after, click on this serial monitor button and maximize this window and select baud rate as 9600. Then let's see our program on Arduino in action. Here we can see whenever I rotate potentiometer clockwise, the value in serial monitor goes high, and whenever I rotate potentiometer counterclockwise, the value in serial monitor goes low as our programming. As always, the part list, schematic and the code link is in the description. If you know more about Arduino electronics and project, then check out my channel. The channel link is in the description. So this is all about today's video. If you have any doubt, then comment me out. Thanks for watching this video. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe. Stay tuned for my upcoming videos. Until then, stay creative and I will see you in next one.